Next event today is the combination round. We have Team Massey Ferguson versus Team JCB. This speed event involves racing, loading, and hauling.
Here they are then, folks. Let's hear it for Team JCB and Team Massey Ferguson.
3, 2,
Here they come. We better move.
Congratulations, Team JCB. A well-deserved victory in the combination round. Any words for the crowd that have been cheering you guys on today?
Well, I would like to say a couple of things. Firstly, we kicked mother ducking ass out there today. Secondly, if Team John Deere fancy a dance next, just let us know and we'll be ready. Oh.
Wow, fighting talk there, gentlemen. You never know, we might get to see that matchup on a future video.
That's it from us, folks. Hope you enjoyed the race. Sounds like we'll see Team America and John Deere versus the British JCB team soon.
I said.